And what's your name?
My name is Chuck Stollenwerk.
And what's the name of your brewery?
It's the Pecatonica Beer Company.
Do you want to pick one of those bottles up so I could...
Certainly.
Yeah.
Here's our Oktoberfest.
Oktoberfest. Wow, that's a colorful label.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yep.
You've got a very good and crafted graphic designer.
Oh, that's good. Okay, great. Where are you located?
We're located out of Monroe, Wisconsin.
Okay, sure. Is there another famous brewery in Monroe, Wisconsin? Well, we won't mention them.
Yeah, I mean, there certainly is.
Can you tell me a little bit about your brewery?
We started brewing in about the early part of May of this year.
Really?
Yes, our first beer came out at the end of June. It was our Nightfall Lager, which is this one right over here. It's a black lager.
Okay.
It's got a bit of a stronger taste to it, a little bit more bold, but not filling. It starts out with sort of a bitter chocolate taste and works into sort of a caramel.
Okay.
And finishes off with a coffee.
Wow.
It's a distinct tasting beer, but it's not filling, and it's very comfortable, easy drinking, very balanced.
Okay, all right. And how many different styles of beer do you brew?
Right now we've got just the two.
Okay.
The Nightfall Lager is about, we got that out at the end of June, and the Oktoberfest is about 3 weeks out.
I see, okay. Let's see, you opened, and what capacity are you at?
We're at about 200 barrels a batch.
Okay, all right. And how did you start?
We started, there are 10 of us owners, and
Okay.
it's a pretty wide variety of owners. We've got a couple of chemists, a biochemist in there, a couple of farmers, a rancher. Myself, I am a rowing coach in Milwaukee, and also a person that works in utilities. So quite a big background of people, but everybody just interested in making some beer.
Wow, oh, interesting. And your beer is probably best known for your Oktoberfest, or your
We're actually best known for the Nightfall Lager.
Nightfall Lager, yeah.
Because it's the oldest, but we've got some very good feedback from the Oktoberfest. I was just someplace last night where it was the first beer to empty out, finish out. So
wow.
Folks seem to like our Oktoberfest very much.
And what's new on the horizon for your brewery?
We've got an Alphorn beer coming out very soon, which is sort of a Swiss-style beer. It's a little bit lighter, but distinct taste as well as our other beers are. But that'll be the next one coming out.
Now, is this a hobby for most of you at this point, or is it a money-making venture?
At this point, it is a money-making venture. We're not ready to quit our day jobs just yet, but it's
pretty close.
Definitely headed in that direction.
Okay, good. All right. And where can we find your beer mostly?
Mostly here in town. You go to Timers. You'll be able to pick it up.
In Kenosha?
Yes.
Gotcha. Okay. Very good. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, sir. We sure appreciate it.
Yep.